Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is blockchain technology and how will businesses use blockchain. But before we get started into the video, please like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified for upcoming videos. Let's get started. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that records transactions in a database. The blockchain database is not stored in one central location, but rather it is stored on the computers of each node on the network. This means that there are thousands or even millions of copies of the same blockchain database spread across a network of computers all over the world. The data on these blockchains cannot be altered retroactively, meaning that once data has been recorded into this ledger and verified by other nodes on the network, it cannot be changed. This makes it an attractive technology for recording financial transactions and other types of data where there may be a need to prevent fraud or tampering. Blockchain technology can be used to track and verify digital currency transactions between two parties without the need for a third-party intermediary, such as Bank Bitcoin, which is the first attempt at a digital currency that uses blockchain technology to track and verify transactions without the need for banks. For example, if Alice wants to send 10 bitcoins to Bob, they can simply enter their private keys into the blockchain through their internet-connected device and specify how much bitcoin they want to send, where it should be sent to. This process is called signing to verify the transaction. Using digital signature technology, after waiting for a few minutes, their transaction has been recorded in the blockchain and will be processed by the Bitcoin network within 10 minutes. There are so many new technologies coming up these days, and it can be difficult to keep up with them all. One technology that is leaving a lasting impression on the world is blockchain, the technology powering cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. In the past few years, blockchain has grown in both popularity and notoriety. Aspiring entrepreneurs have gravitated towards it, with the potential to use it as a foundation technology for their innovative business models. Blockchain technology provides a transparent and secure way for transactions to take place, leaving an accurate history of what has been done. So, now we will discuss how will businesses use blockchain. Blockchain technology is designed to keep data secure and can be applied to different areas of business. Some ways it can be used include Number 1. Antitrust regulation. Blockchain can be useful for tracking and monitoring the movement of goods and services from one company to another. Number 2. Data security. Blockchain can be used as a means as securing sensitive data while making it more difficult for bad actors to access, corrupt, or destroy data. Number 3. Privacy. Blockchain can give users complete privacy over their transactions by encrypting and transferring the information by using cryptographic keys that are not controlled or stored by a central authority. Number 4. Storage. Because blockchain is an immutable and transparent system, each transaction is stored in a way that both parties can access it. Number 5. Cloud storage. With so much unused space on the web, blockchain can be used as a way to cheaply and securely store your data. Number 6. Access control. An important topic that can be addressed with a token-based system. Setting up such a security measure streamlines access and also provides inherent reliability due to the blockchain's inherent security. Number 7. Payment. Blockchain-based systems would be viable for processing traditional payments as information moves faster. Number 8. Supply chain management. Understanding how valuable resources are that manufacturing companies need to produce products allows businesses to save money and reliable procuring processes. Number 9. Smart contracts. They are proposed to create binding contracts digitally. The code would be locked onto the blockchain and provide indisputable proof of what either side is entitled to in each contract. As you can see, blockchain is an innovative system that creates a digital ledger of transactions. It is only a matter of time before we replace some of the outdated systems with blockchain-based solutions. If you're wanting to know more about the IT industry or about blockchain in particular, please feel free to call us 310-870-8999. So, this is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.